am thoroughly impressed. I'm not 5 minutes into this tuner, and it has drastically changed my shift points on this transmission. It's 35-inch tires and this 3.8 liter. This is the early JK, so yeah, it's got the 3.8. But that's impressive. I know it doesn't look like it. It's just a Wrangler, but that's very impressive. I'm shocked. Before, this thing was so just sluggish. It was having trouble shifting at the correct RPM. It was like the timing of the shift points was just not getting the feedback from the tire size. So everything was kind of just messed up. But pretty impressed. Even right there, I just did like a 10-15 mile an hour turn in on this road. This thing would usually jump up to like 2,000 RPMs, and then it would fall on its face to like 700. And I just held a consistent about 1,200 RPM through that turn. And that doesn't sound like, if you're not driving a Jeep Wrangler that has these issues, you don't know. But that is awesome, awesome, awesome. So I have to say, in the first 5 minutes, Superchips, highly recommend. The screen on this thing is, you know, for a $200 unit, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. So, hey.